My name is Henry Cook. I'm Director of the LaCrosse County Solid Waste System. And a question I'm asked often is, how did you choose your consultant, SEH, and how are they doing for you since you're in a 5-year contract? We were looking for a partner, not just a vendor of services that could help us, our business, and our facility in the long run. One of the most important things to us was the vision that that consultant had for our future. The other thing was their technical skills, their compatibility, and their ability to work with us on our numerous projects that we have. All of those things led us to select SEH for our 5-year contract. In terms of how they're performing for us, we've been extremely pleased. They have developed new relationships with our customers for us. They've developed new relationships with other vendors for us. They brought in innovative ideas that we would not have thought of ourselves. We have about a 4-acre processing pad. On that processing pad, we take clean shingles and wood waste, we grind them up, and we find beneficial uses for them. We asked SEH, our consultant, to come up with plans for expansion of that plant.
What you're seeing here to the west of us is the area that has recently been cleared and grubbed to accommodate the reforming and the redesign of the existing sedimentation basin here. What they're doing is they're not expanding the depth, but they're just reforming, making sure the side slopes and the berms are appropriate. This whole area, once formed, is going to be revegetated with native species. This drainage swale is designed to handle all the surface water that comes from not only this pad, but the subsequent phase, which is on the other side, phase 2, which increases the size of the pad by about 1 acre. One of the reasons we enjoy our relationship with SEH is the LaCrosse County landfill system is a green tier system certified by the Wisconsin DNR. We liked the way SEH came in, designed this basin, but then went above our expectations by saying, you have a master plan at LaCrosse County, and there is a way of planting native species in here that will achieve also success with your master plan. And long after this landfill site is completed at this property, will leave a valuable asset to our community in how we left this facility.
When the material that's in the landfill breaks down, it creates a methane gas. We ship it through a 1.6-mile pipeline that leaves the landfill, goes up North Kinney Coulee Road, underneath I-90, up South Kinney Coulee Road, and over to Gunderson Lutheran's Onalaska campus. They have an engine there, a Jenbacher engine, and it burns that gas and it creates electricity. So as Gunderson Lutheran engines is requiring more gas or less gas, or if they're shut down, that their engines and their control room communicates to this control room back and forth, so they're letting each other know what each other's doing. If Gunderson wants a little bit more gas or a little bit less gas, they have the regulatory ability to ramp up or ramp down our compressor to increase or decrease the flow going over there. As part of the regulatory compliance side of it, the county and Gunderson Lutheran keeps track of their flow rate, their temperature, their gas quality, their hydrogen sulfide concentrations, all these different impurities.
Behind me is the Gas to Energy project, which we successfully launched in 2012. Early on in that project, we ran into some problems, and our consultant, SEH, put their interests aside and found a sub-consultant that helped us with this project and made it a success.
We looked over the project and we realized that while we could probably figure it out, it was in the county's best interest to utilize somebody that this is what they do every day.
This really impressed us. Brian, I want to thank you. You helped make our project a success. In the solid waste business, we're very passionate about what we do. We love garbage. We love serving the public with garbage. We wanted to see that level of passion in our consultant, and we found that in SEH. They also believe that serving the public by seeing that solid waste is properly disposed of is something that really supports society. It's a way that we give back to society. And that formed a stronger partnership when we saw that passion in SEH, that they saw the value of what we do.